This is a small lift trail camera, and it is very easy to operate. The package included hunting camera, USB cable, mounting belt, user menu, SD card reader. The camera needs to run on 4 pieces AA batteries, and make sure that positive and negative pole of the batteries are on the right position. Insert micro SD card into the camera. Sports max capacity is up to 32 GB, and it has a right function. Turn the switch to on. The indicator red light will flash 1 to 2 times, and enter to PIR detected status. The indicator red light will flash 1 to 2 times once there has infrared induction, PIR detected, and it will take 3 photos and 10 seconds video, sound and video synchronization, or else it will enter standby status. Turn the switch to off. Take out the micro SD card, insert it into the card reader, and read the data on PC. Micro SD card will generate a text file time.txt automatically. Open the time.txt file on the computer and modify the date and time to the current date and time, and save the file. Waterproof to IP56.